Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and create an account on the Uber Driver app if you're going to use it to transport people. So first of all, you need to search up Uber Driver on your Play Store or App Store or from which website you're downloading. From there, you install the application. Now you need to open the application after installing it. Now put in your precise location. Now you can see the home screen where it's telling you to continue. Now here you can either add your phone number or email for a verification code, or you can also continue with Google. You can use any of your email addresses directly from here. So let's say I'll continue with Google. Then it'll ask you to confirm your information by adding your phone number and your name. And after that, you'll get a verification code on your email or your WhatsApp, and you need to input it in the application. Then it'll ask you where you want to earn. You'll add the city that you're currently living in from here, and you can add a referral code, which is optional. If you have one, you can add it. Now after you're done with that, it'll give you plenty of options of what you want to drive with. If you have a bike, you can drive with a bike. Otherwise, you can also drive with cars. Let's say I've selected a bike. Now what you need to do is you need to input the required details. These are all the details it will require. And after inputting these details, you'll be set and your Uber driver account will be created.